Hello everyone, and welcome back to the AGF channel. Today I have for you a tutorial for a sheet set featuring our new 108-inch wide fabrics called 108 edition, and we will be using the print Mindful Paths while using the measurements for a queen size mattress. To find the measurements for your mattress, follow these instructions. To determine the size of fabric you will need to cut, first find the width of your mattress, which is A, the length of your mattress, which is B, and the height of your mattress, which is C. The formula for cutting is seen here. The width, or A, plus 2 times the height, or C, plus 6. For my queen mattress, this would be 90. Then take the length, or B, plus 2 times the height, C, plus 6. Mine is 110, so I would cut 2 pieces that are 90 inches by 110 inches, one for the fitted sheet and one for the flat sheet. To find your corner square template, take the height, or C, and add 2.5. This gives me 14.5 for my queen size. These formulas will also be listed in the description box below. Once you have those measurements, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to the AGF channel and click that bell to get notified of our new videos. Here is what you will need. 2 90 by 110 inch rectangles of 108 inch fabric, 3 2 inch by width of fabric strips of our pure solids in turmeric, 5 yards of 1/4 inch elastic, a ruler and rotary cutter, and pins. First, take one of your wide back cuts and cut out your corner squares, mine being 14.5. Next, join your edges of your cut corner squares and sew them together using a French seam. If you are unfamiliar with a French seam, check out our quick and easy tutorial on TikTok following the link in the description box below. Once you have your corners sewn, hem all the raw edges 1/4 inch. Take your elastic and using a zigzag stitch, sew your elastic to the inside of your sheet on top of the hem, making sure to stretch the elastic and keep your fabric flat. For your flat sheet, start by sewing your 3 strips of turmeric together on the short ends, so you have one long strip that is 2 by 152 inches. Trim this strip so that it is 90 inches. Press the strip in half long ways, wrong sides together, so it measures 1 inch by 90 inches. From the top of your sheet, measure down 1.5 inches and line up the folded edge and pin in place. Sew 1/4 inch along the raw edge, then flip the folded edge down and top stitch along your sewn edge. Next, hem your sheet all around by folding it to the wrong side 1/4 inch, then 1/4 inch again, and stitch. And your sheet set is done. This is a great project to add more handmade elements to your home. And the plus side to using 108 inch wide fabric is that they won't have a seam down the middle. Until next time everyone, happy sewing!